Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. And we did it. We made our move to Marietta, Georgia. Finished up yesterday, and it's now Sunday morning, and we're fishing. This is Lake Ackworth. There's largemouth bass, white bass, striped bass. There's spotted bass, which I've never caught before, which I'm hoping to get today. I'm here with Kevin. We're on the boat. Let's see how we can do. Stay tuned. So me and Kevin both decided to start out with some topwater. We were both throwing poppers, and we weren't getting any luck. The conditions weren't great. It was bluebird skies. As you can see here, we were throwing crappie jigs at these bridge pilings. Nothing, not even a bluegill sniff. Nothing. I was searching for crappie and perch. I know this lake has them. And there was no breeze whatsoever. Not a cloud in the sky. Just a bunch of sun. And it was hot too. Here I was throwing a wacky rig yum dinger. We were throwing at the bank for I think over 3 hours, and nothing touched any of our baits. It wasn't until I decided to tie on a 3-inch swim bait on I believe a 1/8 ounce jig head, and I saw a bunch of fish on the depth finder sitting at about 12 to 15 feet of water. So I decided to troll this behind the boat, and this is what happened.
Why? Oh. Fish?
Yep.
Do you need this?
No.
Can I still use it? Bass, I think.
Come on. Don't know yet.
It's at surface. Yeah. Its tail's big enough.
It's not a smallmouth.
That's the large one.
Oh no, I think that's my first spotted bass.
Oh yeah,
Hold on.
that's a spotted bass.
Let's see. Oh man.
What?
Let's see. Yep. Little tooth patch on his tongue. That is my first fish in Georgia. And that's also my first ever spotted bass.
You get the gun.
Yes. Yes. Oh, I'm happy now. See you, bud.
What?
Yes. Yeah. So we decided to keep up that pattern and just keep trolling swim baits. If I had a drop shot set up, I think we would have slaughtered them that day, because they were all just sitting down there. And if we had a drop shot or shaky head, I feel like we would have caught so many more fish. What do I have? I'm not sure his drag is set. Whoa.
Fighting?
Yeah.
Oh my god. That big largemouth?
I don't know.
Yeah,
Another spotted
it's
bass.
not a big spotted bass, dude.
Yes.
That's a big one.
Yes. Oh, hook just popped right out. Yes. Yep. Nice. Yes. Good look. There we go. See ya. It is. Nice. If you touch the tip of his tongue, you'll feel like a tooth.
Yeah, I feel like
It's weird, ain't it?
it. Yeah, it's very weird.
Nice. Sweet. Yeah.